3 years ago using the Palomar telescope with 3C273. So these are incredibly odd objects in the universe, very heavy, very dense, and very fascinating objects. A couple of things that we know about black holes. We know that there's a big black hole in the center of every large galaxy, weighing millions to billions of times as much as the sun. We know that there are smaller black holes weighing a bit more than the sun, 10 or a couple tens of times as much as the sun, peppered throughout galaxies. There's thousands in our own galaxy, and we see them in nearby galaxies. So astronomers, like all astronomers, know black holes exist, and that there's different types. Oddly, we only know of one in this intermediate range between the small and the big, and that's a big issue that I'll talk about a little bit later. Highlighting some more Southern California astronomy, one of the best studies of the nearest big black hole to us comes out of Andrea Ghez's group at UCLA, and they've been using for the last 15, 20 years very advanced techniques on the biggest ground-based telescopes to watch stars moving in the center of our galaxy. There's a couple dozen stars that they've now been tracking for 20 years, and they find that they're all orbiting around a single point. You can use just high school level physics to figure out how much that single point must weigh, and it's about 4 million times as much as the sun. It's very dim. You see it flaring every once in a while. And there's basically, physics tells you that the only thing that could be that heavy and that dense is a black hole. And so this is one of the best studied black holes, is that one in the center of our own galaxy. Over the last 15 years, we've come to appreciate that probably all big galaxies have something that weighs millions to billions of times as much as the sun at their center. And about 1/2 of 1% of the mass of a galaxy is in this central little black hole. Things that we don't know about black holes is there's really extreme physics happening right near the black hole. Space and time is being torn apart, as you might have seen in the Interstellar movie. Whoops. The really strong magnetic fields, crazy high temperatures, creating X-rays, for instance. And so there's a lot of work going on trying to understand the detailed physics of.
Hola, tengo varias cuentas de YouTube. Suscríbanse a Anónimo. Bueno, mi cuenta principal es Utilizando, pero tengo como una especie de strike por algo de copy, no sé, por 90 días. Pero suscríbanse a mi nuevo canal llamado Anónimo, que acá les dejo el link de mi nuevo canal. Tiene menos suscriptores, tiene 8, pero bueno, les dejo el link. Voy a hacer directos ahí, les dejo el link acá. Esto de la NASA es una agencia espacial que envían cohetes al espacio, investigan el espacio y todo eso.